Open, open. Yeah. So we were about to do say that day, right? Page number.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is asking you lesen Sie und ergänzen Sie. Read you and fill you the verbs. Okay, you have to read this and also try to fill in the blanks. For filling the blanks, you need to understand and have the knowledge of the verb conjugations. It's called. Okay. Let me see if we have any more participants. No, we don't have any more participants. Yeah, so that's the point. There's something called as conjugation. What is conjugation? You can see in the box here. For example, wonen is live. Live form is changing for this. Ish is I. It's becoming wona. Do it is becoming wonts. So first I'll tell you the concept of conjugation. Then you'll probably understand it better. What is conjugation? So for example, in English also it is there. For say an example verb called do. I do, you do, but he does, she does. Then we do, they do. You only see it in he or she. Rest of the time you learn it like exceptions in English. Similarly, but you can't see that too much in English. But if I say our own native languages, say for like Hindi, karna is to do, same thing. But if I say मैं करता हूँ, तुम करते हो, कॉन्सेप्ट आप करते हैं, तुम करती हो या करती हो ना, वो करती है या करता है, डिपेंडिंग ऑन हु वो इज. So what is happening? Verb ending is changing according to the subject, right? Are you getting the concept? Verb ending karna is becoming karta, karti, karte and all.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, in Telugu also same chedam, to do is chedam. నేను చేస్తాను, నువ్వు చేస్తావు, మేము చేస్తాము, ఆమె చేస్తుంది. Verb ending changes. That concept is called conjugation. So what is happening in wonen is live. It's becoming wona for ish is I, do is you, like tum kind of you. Wants it is becoming. Okay. Erz it is becoming want. He or she. Erz is he or she is becoming want. Capital G is you with respect, aap kind of thing. It is becoming wonen. Coming to common, common is come. To come. Ish comma, I come. Do comes, you come. Erz comes, geodesy common. Capital J is you with respect, aap kind of thing. In English, everything is you, right? But in our languages, we have not tum is different, aap is different. This is like aap. Yeah. Do is like tum. But Z, capital Z is with aap. Okay. Now, got the concept? Understood the concept?
Yes, sir.
Hi, Robin. We were just discussing the concept of conjugation. Did you get it?
No, sir, I just joined. Actually, the net is slow here. So
Okay, I'll just repeat it for you. Okay, so
Okay.
right side, you're able to see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
I blue marked the screen. Verb and personal pronoun, verbs and personal pronoun. So there's a concept of conjugation. Very important in German to know this conjugation. So what happens? I'll try to explain with our native languages. First with English. Do means do. That verb, if I conjugate in English also it's there, but we almost don't see it. I do, you do, he does, she does. It's there, it's changing. But rest of the time we do, they do, every time it is similar. So we learn he does, she does like an exception rather than like a rule in English. But if I same thing I compare with Hindi, okay, karna is to do, मैं करता हूँ, तुम करते हो, वो करती है या करता है. That है part is extra, but आप करते हैं. So karna, can you see its ending is changing according to the subject. करती, करते, करता and all that. Similarly with Telugu, చేయడం is to do. నేను చేస్తాను, నువ్వు చేస్తావు, మేము చేస్తాము, ఆమె చేస్తుంది, ఆయన చేస్తాడు. So చేయడం is becoming, endings are changing according to the subject. So that's the concept. Ending of the verb changes according to subject is called conjugation. We have seen two verbs in the last class, wonen and kommen. Wonen is live. One second. So wonen we have seen last time. Live. Ish, wona, do, wons. You see the ending, like e ending for ish, I. Do, tum kind of you. Do, wants. RZ, won't. Capital Z is like, this is the first time you're seeing. R is he, Z is she. Till now you have not seen this. But capital Z is like up kind of you with respect. Z is woman. Do form, Z form we have already seen. So you have to change the verb according to the subject. Similarly, common, ish, comma, do forms, or come, R is Z form, common. Right here. No need to do. This is already there. You have to fill the blank. Today right here. Yeah, just for your reference. Later, once you join, this one is for you. This book will be here. Just write the blank. Yeah. Now that is the concept. Now what you need to do, say you ignore sein verb. I'll explain it in the next chapter. That you ignore for today. Say, read you and fill you the verbs. You got to read this and try to fill the blanks. He has filled some blanks, but all of these are not correct. Don't literally go by this. He made some mistakes. So use your own mind. Once you're done, let me know that you're done. Looks like Vihasit and Atul. Atul has also joined. Hi Atul. Hi Vihasit.
Hi, sir.
So understood what to do? You have the concept of conjugation? No? Yes?
So I just came now.
Yes, sir. I
Okay.
too just
Okay,
have.
guys, you just follow this topic. Later we can do. There's something called conjugation. The verb ending changes with respect to subject. You see what others are doing. Try to do these blanks you need to fill based on this. Ish is I, you have seen. Do is you without respect, like tum kind of thing. Er is he, Z is she. First time we are seeing. Capital Z is aap kind of you. So if this comes, verb is there, it has to change its form like this. That's called conjugation. If you try to fill the blanks, there are 3 blanks here. This what he has written here is not exactly correct, so don't go by that. So you apply your own mind and try to. Once you're done, let me know you're done. That is mixed now. Probably mixed. Probably mixed. Miss lady. That is mixed now. Yeah. Dash वो फॉर्म पे लिखा है ब्लैंक में नेक्स्ट ब्लैंक में क्या आना चाहिए आप क्या सोचते हैं हमें बाद में बताओगे आपको क्या लगता है शी है यू है क्या है आप उस हिसाब से ब्लैंक फिल कीजिएगा और वरना फॉलो कीजिए थोड़े देर आपको समझ में डन स्पेशली कृतिका Harsh, Robin, you guys are done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I see one yes.
Yes, sir.
2 people say yes. Kritika, you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you're done, right? Okay. Now the second blank. Z dash in Frankfurt. What did you get?
Wonen.
Wonen, na?
Wonen.
Wonen. Unfortunately, Wonen is wrong. Answer is won't.
Women.
I'll explain you the answers again. Answer though is won't. Jan dash aus Frankfurt. Jan dash aus Frankfurt. What did you get for that? Hello. What did you get? No problem. Don't bother about mistake.
The second Jan Hishcom.
No, Yan ish should not come at all. We are only looking for a verb.
The
Yan.
second one or the fourth one?
Other Kritika, Harsh, what did you get? Yan?
Comst.
Comst, no. You, Kritika?
Sir, I wrote the ish form.
What did you write?
The ish form. K-O-M-M.
No, no. It should be blank. Should be this com. So Yan is like he, no. Yan is a name, but how do we give? Yan comes, we would have said, right? So Yan Kont. In this blank, this fellow who tried this book has written it wrongly. It is Yan Kont. Okay. Got it? It is like
Yes, sir.
he. Yan is like he. He comes. So Yan Komt. For er, it should be Komt, right? So Jan kommt aus Frankfurt. Next, er dash. Wohnt is given and it is right as well. He lives in Zurich. Guys, got it? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now let's see the top level. You have seen capital Z. You might be tempted to use wohnen here. But see this phrase, das ist Frau Lang. That is Miss Lang. Means she's presenting Miss Lang. Z, just because it follows a full stop, it has become capital. Otherwise, you would have seen the small z. Okay. Like English, immediately after capital, it becomes, immediately after full stop, it becomes capital. Okay. Therefore, it is capital. Otherwise, you would have seen the small z part. And anyways, is the book talking about you? Other capital Z means you. Book was not asking about you, na? These arrow pointers, they're indicating that it is that lady, which her name is Lang, Miss Lang. Okay. So it is a she, though it might look like you. It is a she. So she comes from Deutschland, which is Germany. And she lives in Frankfurt. She won't in Frankfurt. So this is, even though it's tempting to use wohnen, this part is won't. Understood now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, similarly, Jan again is a he, third person for us. Jan is not in front of you to call it you. You are not it yourself, Jan, for using first person, comma. For you, he is a third person, he. So, Jan kommt aus Frankfurt, comes from Frankfurt. And er part is so simple. Er wohnt in Zurich. Now understood? Understood the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. That's all. Yeah. Hopefully Atul and Vyasik, you're able to follow.
Yes, I'm trying to.
Yeah. Now, Fünfa und Sie marken Sie 3 interviews in der Z form. Do you 3 interviews in the Z form? Means, you know, capital form. Like we have done now, it's already redundant for us. We have done this now. Woher kommen Sie, welche Sprachen sprechen Sie? This was done already. So you don't need to do this. Don't bother. It's redundant for us. We have done that already. Now, Bay part is interesting. Who is that? Present your partner or female partner. The others will advise the names. Okay. Now tell Z comes out Valencia. She comes from Valencia. She lives. That was sufficient in the class. Don't tell the name. Simply present your partner with details that you know. They said that is Ana Cristina Ramos. That is Ana Cristina Ramos. From the details the person was presenting. Anyone remembers about your partner, where they live, where they come from, based on which you can probably tell who that is. It's a voluntary exercise. If you want to tell, you can tell. If you want to try, you can try. Otherwise, leave it. Anyone wants to try presenting your partner or presenting some of your classmates if you remember details? Last class details you remember. No? No? Leave it. Let's go to the next. We have done numbers. Remember last class?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Numbers was done. So we'll do Zebana. Today alphabets will learn. Okay. Alphabets. First, I'll play. He's asking you to play the alphabetical rap. So first, I'll play it a couple of times. Then we'll discuss in detail. One second. So this is first chapter. Audio is 7A. Listen to this audio. Listen to this audio and look at the alphabets. Let's see.
Aufgabe 7a.
Are you able to hear the sound?
Buchstabenrap.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Great. I'll start.
So
Aufgabe 7a. Buchstabenrap.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, K, L, M. N, O, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, Ä, Ö, Ü. Ö, Ü. Ä, Ö, Ü. Ä, Ö, Ü.
Happy? Do you want it to be played once more? Relax. Anyone wants it to be played once more?
Sir, could you please pronounce that?
We'll do pronunciations. If you want to listen once more, I'll play. Okay, do one thing. You listen once more. Afterwards, we'll do.
Aufgabe 7a. Buchstabenrap.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, K, L, M. N, O, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, Ä, Ö, Ü. Ä, Ö, Ü. Ä, Ö, Ü. Ä, Ö, Ü.
Okay. Now I'll show you a presentation. You're able to see the presentation, right?
Yes, sir.
So first, this one is called A. Please write it in each of these alphabets, however comfortable it is. Okay, please note down. If you feel like you're comfortable in your mother tongue, please write so in your mother tongue. However, A sound, however it is comfortable for you. Okay, I wrote in English, but if you're okay with your mother tongue, that's also fine. Okay, because in English and German alphabets are similar, you might get confused. Okay, this one is called A. Okay, then this one is called Be. This one is called Say, with T sound is also there. Not simply say, but say. T, say, slight T. Then Day. So A, Be, say, Day. Then this one is like, its actual sound is like E. Neither E nor A, and in between sound. E. But casually we call it A. This one we casually call it A, but actual sound is E. E. Neither E nor A, in between sound. Okay. This one is called F. F is F only, like in your English F. Gay. This one is called Gay. This is called Ha. This one should be called E. Now, this one is called Yacht. Remember, Japan was called Japan. Julia was called Julia, because this is not J or something, but it is called Yacht. Then there's called K. L is L only, M is M, N is N, O is O. But Pay. then khu, air, S is S only, then the, then this is called u, fau, this is called fau. This is where, remember, your 4 is not wear but fear. Yeah. This is way, x, what you call as x in English, Deutsch, x, epsilon, set, set with a T. Okay. Now repeat like alphabets, repeat after me a couple of times. Okay. I'll give you time for notes, don't bother. Okay. Okay. Repeat after me a couple of times. First time. A,
Ah.
B,
Be.
C,
say,
Say.
D,
day,
Day.
now this is neither E nor is, we casually call it A, but actual sound is E. E.
E.
A bit complicated. Yeah. Then F,
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 G,
G,
G.
Ha,
Ha,
Ah.
E,
E,
E.
Yacht,
Yacht,
Yacht.
Ka,
Ka,
Car.
L,
L,
L.
M,
M,
N,
M. N.
O,
O.
P,
A,
P.
Q,
Q.
R,
R,
R.
S,
S,
S.
T,
T,
A.
U,
U,
V,
O.
V,
V,
V.
X,
X,
X.
Epsilon,
Epsilon,
Epsilon.
set.
Set,
Set. Set.
Once more. Let's try once more. Okay. A,
A,
B,
A,
C,
C,
A.
D,
Day.
neither E nor A. We casually call it A, but actual sound is E.
E,
E.
E. Almost. F,
F,
F.
G,
G,
H,
H,
E,
E,
E.
yacht,
Yacht.
Yacht,
Ka,
Ka,
L,
L,
L.
M,
M,
M.
N,
N,
N.
O,
O,
O.
P,
A,
Q,
Q.
R,
R,
S,
S,
S.
T,
T.
U,
oo, oo,
Fow,
pow, pow,
way,
Way.
way,
X,
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 Epsilon,
epsilon,
Epsilon.
set.
Set.
set,
Understood?
yes,
Yeah. Let's discuss the special alphabets as well. Then I'll give you 4-5 minutes to take down notes, whatever time you require. Then let's see some special alphabets. Till now, it's almost like English, isn't it? Almost. Like, yeah.
Yes,
I
sir.
mean, like, at least notations are there as it is. Yeah. Now, this double dot that you see on top is called umlaut. Okay. So, guys, in a minute it might cut. I'll connect back soon. Okay. So I'll wait. It's less than a minute. He's showing. This meeting will cut again. Please join. I've started recording and I need to share my screen. You guys are able to share my screen? See my screen?
No, sir.
yes, sir.
Now it's yeah. What about now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can see.
yes, sir.
Yeah. So special L A and the double dot on A is called umlaut. So this is A umlaut. Got it? A umlaut. O
Yes.
umlaut. Similarly, this one is called O and umlaut. So O umlaut. Then this is called SZ. That beta symbol that you see is called SZ. Yeah, got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, again, A umlaut. How to differentiate between our normal A on the left side and this special. So how do we differentiate? We call it A umlaut. Similarly, the difference between this O and this one is O umlaut. O umlaut. This is SZ. Yeah. So now, if you want to take down any notes, please take down. I'll wait for a while. Yeah, done. Took notes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So now these are the alphabets. Let's see in the pronunciation guide. German is a phonetic language. Unlike English, German is phonetic language. Means the moment you hear the sound, you should be able to get the spelling. English you can't make, no? Sometimes receive, deceive, I confuses. But German follows particular rules. If you follow those rules, 100, at least German words, you'll get the meanings with uniformity. Now you see, this one was called yacht, right? Alphabet yacht. You'll be tempted to call Jurgen. Anybody knows Liverpool football club? Anybody follows football?
Yes, sir.
Its manager is a German. His name is Jurgen. Jurgen
Yes, sir.
Klopp, not Jurgen. Okay? Because this is not J, it is yacht. So whenever there is like yacht, think there is a Y instead of J, there's a Y. Then you'll get it. Jurgen.
And you will
Oh, Jurgen. Now, this is called FAU. Famous company, what's this called? Yeah, Volkswagen. Not Volkswagen like Indians call it. Volkswagen. Vol. No silent letters in Dutch. Volkswagen. You have to spell out everything. No Volkswagen. 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 Okay, Volks means people. Wagen is wagon. People's wagon. They're trying to call it people's car. It was like Tata Nano project during Hitler. Car for everyone. People's car. Now S followed by vowels. It takes Z sound. Z. So this is Zamira, not, you'll be tempted to call Samira, but you should call it Zamira. Then it's called like TS. Okay. Z carries TS sound all the time. Sane. Sane. So umlaut, English. Now umlaut like A sound high. A English. English means similar, but it should be pronounced as English. Lot of people might be knowing this. Heard of anything called Gotha Zentrum, Gotha Institute, yeah? Goethe. So Goethe, okay? Umlaut, how should you say? Put your mouth round mouth, okay? And then say O from that. Goethe, Goethe, Goethe. Got it? Goethe. Put your mouth round and then try to put O, say O from that. Goethe. Okay? Goethe, yeah. Umlaut, Müller. 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 Yeah. Müller. Put round mouth. Müller. 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 Yeah. Understood how this umlaut, put your mouth round and say O and U. Müller, Goethe. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Now, this beta is like double S for all practical purposes. Okay. In fact, German is spoken in 3 countries. If you know, German is spoken in Germany, then Austria, neighbor Austria, and Switzerland. Switzerland. Switzerland has 4 official languages: German, French, Italian, and Romanian, if you know the language. Okay. So now, of all, German is the most prevalent. 67% of the population speaks German. Some 23 French, 7-8% Italian, 2-3%, 2% Romanian, but predominantly German. Okay. In Swiss German, they've removed this beta symbol and they replaced with double S directly. There's no beta symbol in Swiss.
Netherlands?
The Netherlands Dutch. Similar but different language. Okay. Straße, it's called. Okay. Straße, double S. Straße. Got it? So, still it's prevalent in Germany, Deutschland, and Österreich, Austria. So you can't directly ignore it. You still have to learn this beta. Okay. Now, let us see some combination of alphabets. This was a u, gives a sound ow, ow. So this is called, no more, don't call it auto. It is called Deutsch Auto. It's called Auto. Okay. There's a famous company, we call it Audi. What would Germans call it?
Audi.
Audi. It's called Audi. Okay. We call it Audi, but its original name is Audi. Okay. So this ow gives sound ow. Au gives a sound oi. Oi. I thought in English I can't write it at all, but one of my students said just like in coin, C-O-I-N, coin, oi sound is coming. Give some that sort of sound. So there's a famous continent. What do you think it's called? It's Europe only, but should be pronounced how? Europa. Okay. Europe should be called Europa. Deutsch calls it Europa. Au is ow, but umlaut too again gives oi sound. Häuser. Häuser. So Häuser means houses. Auto, above auto means car. Häuser, houses. Getting it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Pronunciation. This is very important, this pronunciation. Okay. If you anytime miss out on this, please, these videos are shared on YouTube. Please go and check them back. You know, once you check them, if you think you're making too many pronunciation mistakes, check back if you're following the rules. Yeah, I. A-E gives a sound I. Similarly, A-E also I. Both give sound I. Yeah. So this is mine. We have seen no my, what in English we call my. Deutsch we say mine. We have seen no mein Name, remember? Mein Name. Yeah. There's a month. Which month do you think it is?
May.
May.
Month of May is in Deutsch called Mai. Okay. Now EA usually gives the sound E kind of thing. E. Therefore, Sieben. Okay, Sieben. This is two famous drinks. What do they think they are? Yes, tea and coffee. This should be called Tee, Cafe. Tea and Cafe. Yeah. Tee, Cafe. Now, CH, say ha. Yeah. Spracha. Okay. Now, when it is prefixed by a, o, or u, means a and o or u comes in front of ch, it takes kh sound. Kh, the second bigger kh. Spracha. But if the same ch is prefixed by any other thing, like other vowels, for example, e, Deutsch, a, they, or a umlaut, o umlaut, u umlaut, they, those vowels, or nothing, consonants, or nothing at all, it takes sh sound, sh. So yeah, therefore it is Sprachchen. One alphabet, see the difference. Sprache, Sprache, Sprachchen, Sprache. Got it? CH when followed by A, O, or U. Only these three alphabets, vowels, whatever, only these three vowels. It takes K, second K, bigger K, Sprache. When anything else,
When
sure,
they,
sir.
before, after A or
When it is before, not after that, before counts. That's all. Got it? Understood? This is important. Understood CH rule? Seha.
Yes.
I only
Yes,
hear
sir.
one. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Okay. Then next. Seha, SCH always takes sh sound, no matter what. Schalke is a football club. Schalke. A ending is called Schalke. Got it? Yeah. So please take the notes, whatever you want to take. I'll give you some time. Whenever there is A ending, that's why like half a sound, Schalke. Remember we called it Nama, Heiser.
Done, sir.
Okay, one person is done.
Done, sir.
Done, sir. Done. Done, sir.
Anyone not done? Okay, I'm giving a couple of more minutes. I have a student who's physically here. So just one more minute. Okay, I'm closing this. This is so let's go back to our task book. Okay, last time you learned numbers, we did telephone numbers, we learned, right? Now we are about to hear a telephone conversation. And this time you have to figure out email addresses. Now that you know alphabets, let's hope you can figure out email addresses. Okay. Before that, you see the right side box, email addresses again. That at the rate is called @ At the rate is called @ Dot is called what? What do you think dot is called? Dot is called punkt. This hyphen symbol is called? No, not minus. It should be called
Minus. Minus.
minus, no? Minus. Underscore is called
Unterstrich.
Unterstrich. Unterstrich.
Strich.
Understood? So, anyways, we got this wrong here. Somebody who tried. Okay. So, anyways, so I'll play the audio. You figure out what the email addresses are.
Aufgabe 7b.
Wie ist das?
Getting my computer sounds?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
E-Mail-Adresse?
Ruben-González
I'm starting.
Aufgabe 7b.
Wie ist deine E-Mail-Adresse?
Ruben-Gonzales@sweb.net.
Wie bitte nochmal? Ruben?
Ruben-Gonzales Gonzalez at esweb.net.
Ist das richtig so? Ruben-Gonzales mit Z at sweb.net.
Ja, das stimmt. Und wie ist deine E-Mail-Adresse?
Maria-1811 at inet.com.
Bitte nochmal, kannst du sie buchstabieren?
MARIA unterstrich 1811 at inet.com.
Danke.
Happy Nokenmal once more. Anyone?
So once more.
Yeah,
Replay it
Sir,
once.
once more, sir, once more.
yeah, sure.
Aufgabe 7b.
Wie ist deine E-Mail-Adresse?
Ruben-Gonzalez@sweb.net.
Wie bitte nochmal? Ruben?
Ruben-Gonzalez Gonzalez at esweb.net.
Ist das richtig so? Ruben-Gonzales mit Z at sweb.net.
Ja, das stimmt. Und wie ist deine E-Mail-Adresse?
Maria-1811 at inet.com.
Bitte nochmal, kannst du sie buchstabieren?
MARIA unterstrich 1811 at inet.com.
Danke.
Okay. So I'll type in the chat box. One second. First was already Ruben minus Gonzalez at is given. Beyond that, it is sweb.net. Did you get that? This was what she was talking about. Everyone can see in the chat what I got.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
sweb.net. Okay. Then the next one was Maria, 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 unterstrich, Axen, 18, 11 at enet.com. This was the answer. Maria unterstrich Axenel at enet.com. Any success? Anybody got at least one of them correct?
Just the first one. The
First
first
one.
one.
Deutsche, this is not Englishy. Deutsche is different. Yeah. Okay. Now say part is for and dialogue. Where is the dialogue? Okay, you try to where is this dialogue? I'll explain. So this is substitutions. If you possibly can change the dialogue, substitute the dialogue, you should do it. If you don't know, you have to leave it. You leave it alone. Whatever possibly can be changed, you have to change. For example, V has 2. Any replacement for V has 2? Remember
Yes.
where this do kind of thing. First day. With respect,
Yes, sir.
How you called?
yeah.
Where best to?
Where this do V has in Z. V is your nama with some respect, but nevertheless they all ask names. Okay. Now he said Alexis. Why should it be Alexis? This some name. It could be Sanchez. It could be anyone else. Right? It could be Priya, Gautam, any name. So some name basically. V beta is how please. How is that please? I don't get that. What's that please kind of word? Kansudas Bookstabiran. Can you that spell? How is that please? And can you spell that kind of thing? No, what's that please kind of. So V beta right side you see Good Gaze Act. It's a series you'll see all the time. Good Gaze Act, Good Gaze Act series all the time you'll be seeing. Okay. Here some other dialogues like V beta becomes Entschuldigung, excuse. No kein mal bitte. No kein mal is once again. Bitte please. So excuse once again please. Next. Bitte ein bisschen langsamer please. A bit slower. Third one is das verstehe ich nicht. That understand I not. I don't understand that. Suppose in Germany somebody is bugging you, it's very useful for you. I don't understand. Das verstehe ich nicht. Das verstehe ich nicht. They'll leave you and go away. Okay. This one, third one is especially very useful. And if you want to shout once more in Deutsch, you have to shout no kein mal, no kein mal. If you like a live performance, you want once more to shout no kein mal. Got it? Yeah, everyone
Yes.
got it. So V beta, you have 3 possible substitutions on the right side. You can change that. Can't do that Buxtabiran. Can you that spell? This part you today don't have the knowledge to change anything. So keep it as it is. Can't do that Buxtabiran. Can you that spell? Now he's spelling it Alexis, A-L-A-X and all that he's spelling. Whatever name you tell, you have to spell that here. Und wie ist deine email address, sir? What is your email address? He says, now he'll say this Alexis_Barbos at quinnet.com and he's telling me this. You also can tell various email addresses. You can keep the email address part as it is. Why then email address, we then email address. And this email address part you can change. You all have different email addresses.
Meaning of.
No kein mal bitte is once again please.
Okay.
Entschuldigung, excuse. Excuse me. Bitte ein bisschen langsamer, please. A bit. Ein bisschen, a bit. Langsamer, slower. A bit slower.
I don't understand.
Yeah. Word to word, that understand I not. Overall, like meaning is I don't understand that, but that understand.
I don't understand.
Okay. Anyone who wants to try? The session is about to close. I will end it myself and start a new session. 1 second. You guys are able to see my screen, hopefully.
Yes, sir.
Why don't you try this one now? Try someone who's more confident. Try. So this is not a conversation with someone. It's a dialogue. You can change. Especially 3 people should be able to do it better. Atul, Harsh, and Ritika. You attended both classes. Come on, who wants to try? Try know someone, not a big deal.
Sir, what does that mean, sir?
We have to how call you? How is your name? Like, what's your name? How are you called? Alexis. Hello.
And space stands for speech.
Come on. Harsh, you want to try? Come on.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Try this. Instead of we has to, what are you about to tell?
Verb is to.
Okay, verb is do. Instead of Alexis, what's going to come?
Atul.
Okay, Atul. Instead of we beta, what are you going to say? Yeah, Entschuldigung.
Entschuldigung, no. Einmal bitte.
Yeah,
Noch einmal bitte.
Noch einmal bitte. Yeah. Now, next part, can't use that Buchstaben, you can't change.
Okay, sir.
No, no. No, einmal bitte.
Before
Entschuldigung.
Before CH. Who is it?
That's why it is cursor. No. Yeah. So, can't use that Buchstaben can be changed. So, you have to tell it as it is. So, tell that. No, you have to tell this dialogue before you start telling telling the spell. Sorry, spell.
Yes.
Telling this before you tell the spelling.
Spelling.
You have to tell.
Kannst du das Busch?
Buchsta.
Okay, Buchstabieren.
Bieren.
Buchstabieren.
Yes.
Okay.
Now tell.
Ha, te, ha,
Te.
u,
Hmm.
l.
It is a te ha ul or a te ul. That's all.
Ha is there, sir.
Okay. So a te ha
Ha, u, l.
ul. Yes. Und
Yes.
wie is thine email address? You can't change. So tell it as it is.
Undvi is the Dana email address.
Now before you tell the email address, I want to know in like broadly what are you going to tell? What you have to spell that ideally, but before spelling that, I have to expect what you're going to tell. What is that you're going to tell?
Atul, what's your email ID? Sir, Atul,
A very long one.
Why are you bothered about his email address? Tell any email address.
sir, Atullal 1204@gmail.com.
Now tell in Deutsch. A
Yeah.
te.
Okay.
A ta no te. A te.
Ha,
Hmm.
u, l,
ul. Atul. Then.
l, a, l.
Okay. Lal.
Zulf,
Null.
Nool,
Hmm.
Fear.
Fear. Null fear. 04. Okay. Null
At
fear. At.
gay.
Gmail is famous. You can say at gmail.com.
Okay. At gmail.com.
Yeah. Okay. You see, it's not so difficult when you try. Fast,
Yes,
fast.
sir.
Who is trying? Kritika, Atul, who is ready?
I'll try, sir.
So Atul, you are telling?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Try.
So instead of where has to do, I can be like where best to do.
Okay. Verb is to. Instead of Alexis,
Harshavardhan.
Harshavardhan. Okay. Instead of Vibita,
So, Schulding. No,
Entschuldigung.
Schuldigung. Mal bitte.
Noch einmal bitte.
Mal bitte.
Atul, I can't hear you. Can you be louder? Noch einmal
Then
bitte. I didn't hear.
knock animal bitte. Is it fine, sir?
Yeah, partial. Okay. Then still you have to say kannst du.
Consult.
Kannst du das?
Buxtehude.
Yes, kannst du das Buchstabieren. Then spell his name.
His name is Harshvardhan. Okay. Ha.
Hmm.
A.
Hmm.
R. S.
Hmm.
Then Ha.
Hmm.
Then Fer. Fau.
Harsha. Oh, I think one more I is there. Harsha.
Oh, Harsha. Yeah. A. Then after A, Fau.
Pau.
Then again A.
Hmm.
Then R.
Hmm.
Then De.
De.
De. Then Ha.
Yes.
Then A.
Yes.
Then N.
Wonderful. Then next you have to tell it as it is. Und wie ist deine E-Mail-Adresse?
Und wie ist deine E-Mail-Adresse?
Yes.
Let it be harshvardhan01@gmail.com.
Yes.
So ha, a, then er,
Hmm.
then s,
Hmm.
then ha, then again a,
Hmm.
then v, then a,
Hmm.
then er,
Hmm.
then de,
Day.
then Harshavarda H. H is ha,
Hmm.
then a,
Hmm.
then n.
Hmm.
Then 01 is null eins
Yes. At.
at gmail.com.
Yes. So now I have to take a next class. It's already 8:02. So choose. We'll start with this. Choose. Auf Wiedersehen. See you tomorrow. We'll start with this dialogue tomorrow.
Auf Westphal.
Bye.
Auf
Bis
Westphal.
bald. Choose.
Choose, sir.